I now call upon Ms. Nitisha, Ms. Sarita and Mr. Joe. Perpetua de Souza. Rosie Fernandez. Amabel Gomes. Diwakar Salekar. A warm and hearty welcome to our dignitaries up on the dais. Now I request our Sarpanch, Mrs. Jennifer Tommy de Oliveira, to kindly address the gathering.
Madam.
Good evening to you all. I extend my warm greetings to our respective chief guest, Honorable MLA of Santa Cruz constituency, Shri Rodolphe Fernandez, Zilla Panchayat member, Mrs. Chaini de Oliveira. I also warmly welcome the Secretary of our Santa Cruz Village Panchayat, Shri Diwakar Salekar, Deputy Sarpanch, Shri Sandeep Sawant, our dedicated Panch members, all our sports enthusiasts, team members, players, and everyone present here today. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the first All Goa Veterans Football Tournament, proudly organized by the Village Panchayat of Santa Cruz. This event is a tribute to our veteran footballers whose dedication to the game continues to inspire us all. Football has always been a part of our community, and such tournaments strengthens bonds through spirit of sportsmanship and healthy competition. I would like to sincerely thank the Secretary of our Village Panchayat and my Panch members for their tireless efforts in making this event possible. This tournament wouldn't have been possible without your cooperation. Your hard work truly deserves our applause. Please give them a big round of applause. Last but not least, a big thank you to all the footballers for participating in this tournament. Your passion and enthusiasm prove that your love for football game has no age limit. Whether you win or not is the spirit of the game that truly matters. Let such tournaments continue to inspire much more such events in the future, bringing our community closer together and keeping the spirit of unity and vibrance alive in our village. Thank you once again, and may the best team win.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request our chief guest, Honorable MLA, Santa Cruz constituency, Mr. Rudolph Fernandez, to kindly say a few words.
देव बरी सांज तुमकां सगळ्यांक आयज जावन आसा एक व्हडलो दीस आमच्या इश्टराचो आनी सगळ्यांक तुमकां एकठांय जाले दिल्ल्याक बी एक हॅपी इस्टर हांव विश करता. तशेंच आमच्या मदें बसलेली आहा आमची बरेली बरी सरपंच जेनिफर तेलिवेरा, तशेंच जिल्हा मेंबर शायनी तेलिवेरा, आमचो फुर्तनाथ ब्रगांजा, आमचो गांवचो भाव, तसोच आमचो संदीप डेप्युटी सरपंच, आमचो पिटर पिटू, तशेंच सगळे मेंबर पंच मेंबर एलिसन, मागीर पेपेचुआ, तशेंच आमचे एनाबेला, तशेंच लुइजा, रोजी, आनीक आमचे लाभिरा, आनी सगळे म्हाजे मंगेश, तशेंच आनी कोणाक विसरलो जाल्यार हांव समजता तो समजून घेतलो म्हणून. तशेंच सगळे मोगाचे म्हाजे हिंगा भाव आनी भयणी, कित्याक तुमी हिंगासर फुटबॉलाचो मोग हांव म्हणून हिंगासर येयलेली आहा. आनीक तुमकां लागून आयज हिंगासर सगळे बरी सोबन येयलेली आहा. तुमी जर लोक ना जाल्यार कितें जाता, केन्नाय व्हडले टुर्नामेंट केल्यार लोक ना जाल्यार तुमी जाणा सोबना. आयज जावन आसा फायनल आनी ही फायनल इश्टराक धरल्या म्हणून खूब उमेद भोगता. आनीक सगळे मेन एक 13 टिमी हिंगासर येयलेल्यो आनी 13 टिमींतली आयज वेर्ना आनी इलियश हिंगा फायनलीक पावलेली आहा. हे बऱ्यांतले बरे गेमी हिंगासर शेवले ह्या ग्रावंडार. त्याच्या आदी आतांच आमकां एक एक्झिबिशन मॅची पळोवंक मेवली. बऱ्यांतले बरे हिंगासर प्लेयर आदले जे आमचे फ्रेंड ते शेवता ते पळोवपाक मेवले. आनी ह्या ग्रावंडार आमच्या आदी ग्रावंड मातयेचो आहलो, शेत कशें आहले. त्या ग्रावंडार आमचे कितलेच आमचे भाव आमच्या गांवचे आमचे भाव त्या ग्रावंडार शेवून व्हडल्या क्लबांक शेवंक पावले. तशेंच इंडियेक पासून आमचे भाव हिंगासर शेवून वयर पावलेले आहा. हो ग्रावंड हांवें ओपन दवरलो आमच्या भुरग्यांक, धाकट्या भुरग्यांक, तशेंच सगळ्या आमच्या भुरग्यांक, तशेंच चेडवांक पासून, कित्याक ह्या ग्रावंडार अशें शेवून वयर सरचें म्हणून. आनी उमेद भोगता कित्याक सांजचे केन्ना हिंगा पळयत जाल्यार अशें 100 भुरगीं हिंगासर एकठांय जाल्ले आसता शेवपाक. आनी तेंची माय पाय तांकां घेवन येता धाकट्या भुरग्यांक, कित्याक तांकांय उमेद आहा की आपली भुरगीं फाल्यां वयर सरची आनी गोंयांत न्हू इंडियेक पाय शेवची म्हणून. आनी हे अशें म्हाजेय विश आहा की ह्या ग्रावंडार आमचे खुबशीं भुरगीं असो जावं जाता ते भाशेन ह्या ग्रावंडाची फेसिलिटी घेवची. हो म्हाका चड शाबासकी दिवंक जाय आमच्या पंचायत क्लब सांताक्रूज पंचायत कपाक आमच्या सगळ्या वांगड्यांक, पंच मेंबरांक आनी सगळे ऑर्गनायझर तांकां, कित्याक तेणी हो बऱ्यांतलो बरो टुर्नामेंट घडोवन हाडलो आनी एवरी इयर ते करून येता. आनी तेणी आमचो बरो फ्रेंड आमचो टॉमी दे ऑलिवेर तेच्या उगडासाक तेजो उगडास करपाक आयज तेणी हो टुर्नामेंट घडोवन हाडला. आनी हांव वादो दिता तांकां, कित्याक टॉमी आमचो एक आदी फ्रेंड आहलो आनी बऱ्यांतलो बरो, ताकाय लायक आहलें फुटबॉल. आनी इतलेंच न्हू, ते खुबश्या भुरग्यांक पासून अशें तेणें वयर काडलेलें आहा स्पॉन्सरबा दिवन. हांव सोजमता तेज्या उगडासान आनी तेजो उगडास करपाक 1 मिनीट आमी मातशी उबी रावन ताका देवा कडेन मागया, ताका सरकाराच्यान ताका शांती दिवची म्हणून.
take photo.
थँक यू सगळ्यांक. तुम्ही जाणा गोंयान आमच्या गोंयकाराच्या रक्तानूच फुटबॉल आसा आनी हे भुरगे आमचे कितलेच भुरगे आमचे टॅलेंटेड आहा. मात कितें आसता तांकां अशें प्लॅटफॉर्मां मेळोंक जाय शेवपाक. फाटीं एसेंब्लीन हांवें एक पॉयंट काडलो आनी सीएमा कडेन उलयलो आहा की कितें जाता केन्नाय स्पॉन्सर तर मेळना भुरग्यांक जाल्यार टुर्नामेंट करून पावना आनी टुर्नामेंट ना जाल्यार मागीर कॉम्पिटिशन आसना तेंच्या मदीं केन्नाय कॉम्पिटिशन आसत जाल्यार भुरगे कॉम्पिटिशन करतना वयर सरता ताका लागून हांवें मागलेलें एसेंब्लीन की बऱ्यांतले बरी हिंगासर इंडस्ट्री आहा व्हडल्यो कंपनी आहा तांकां कंपल्सरी करचें म्हणून तांकां कंपल्सरी करचें टुर्नामेंट करपाक एवरी इयर कंपल्सरी तें टुर्नामेंट करूंक जाय तुमी पयलीं आदीं टुर्नामेंट आसले गेमी आसल्यो सिबा आसल्यो MRF आसले आमचे कस्टम्स आसले तशेंच पुलीस आहा पुलीस म्हणटा अजुनूय आहा अशें तर सगळे कंपनी जर गेमी करीत जाल्यार गोंयांत म्हाका दिसता कितल्योच गेमी एवरी डे लोकांक गेमी पळोवपाक मेळटल्यो आनी त्या तेतून आमचे भुरगे तांकां जॉबूय मेळटलो आनी आमचे भुरगे वयर सरूंक शकता आमच्या गोंयांत आनीक आमचे सगळे टॅलंटेड भुरगे आनी हांवें मागलेलें हांव अशें करचें म्हणून कित्याक अशें केरळाक दुसऱ्या स्टेटींनी अशें आहा कित्याक सकाळच्या 6 टुर्नामेंट चालू जाता मागीर 8:30 ती 6 पासून तुका मागीर लोक कामाक वयता मागीर 6 जातकूच मागीर गेमी परते स्टार्ट जाता आनी अशें करून भुरगीं आमचे वयर सरता आनी कोण बरो शेवपी भुरगो हा जाल्यार ताका एक पाट दुसरी आपूण व्हरता शेवपाक दिसाक एक भुरगो 10,000 पासून एक गेमीन घेता शेवपाक अशें आमी मागलेलें आहा एका एसेंब्लीन उलयलेलो आहा आनी हें म्हाका जाय कशे भाशेन जालेलें कारण हें जायत जाल्यार आमचे सगळे गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक बऱ्यांतले बऱ्यो फॅसिलिटी मेळटल्यो बरे बरे ग्रावंड मेळटले शॉपाक आनी अशें करून आमचे गोंयचे यूथ तशीच आमची चेडवां ती सगळी वयर सरतली आमच्या सीएमाक स्पोर्ट्स खूब लायक आहा कित्याक तोय स्पोर्ट्समॅन आनी खूब पाट तो उलयतना ताकाय जाय फुटबॉल वयर सरलेली क्रिकेट वयर सरलेली तेज्याय मनान खूब आहा करपाचें आमचो मेर्शेचो ग्रावंडूय टेंडर जाल्लो आहा आमचो अल्लाहबख्श म्हणटा ताका तो टेंडर पडलेलो आहा पूण कांय रिजनाक लागून तो आतां मातसो आतां हे दिसांनी काम बंद दवरला कित्याक मातशें कोण्यांनी RTI घाल्लेली आहा म्हाज्या चिवोलच्या थोड्या भाव भयणांनी 2 जाणांनी आनी हें काम मातशें आतां स्लो जालां नाल्यार हें ना म्हणल्यार काम चालू जावपाचें ताका लागून हांव वालयत आमच्या थँक्यू म्हणटा आमच्या सीएमाक कित्याक आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन खुबशीं ताणें कामां केल्ल्या आनी अशेंच आनी आमची कामां फुडें आहा करपाची ती सगळीं तुमच्या सपोर्टान आनी तुमच्या सगळ्या लोकांच्या सपोर्टान हें हांव करून घेतलो थँक्यू तुमकां सगळ्यांक
थँक्यू सर आणि आता आमचे मुखार मिस्टर टॉमी डी ओलिवेरा हाच्या उगडासाक बाब आन्सेत आणि बाब सोकोर de Santa Cruz एक कांतार दवरतले
नाका जाल्ले करता फायनल मरे ती
Torna-me, chico, amor. Tuesday, Walter, Johnny, Fabio Joyner, Agustin, Sepuri, Kala, Purga. Ole, Sergio, Ole, Taban, Paule, Vasco de Bosa, de Boca.
Antorasri, Mora, Kero, Purabona, Moila, Purgori, Kelo, Pura. Toki, Wakani, Kota, Eri, Chabaski, Tita, Aizia, Corona, Gata. I know Purabana, Calabra, Panchayan, Agasura, Laguru. Tomitio, Sonasli, Alchitus, Nomi, Sosar, Gemo, Suru. One family, Panchayan, Water, Paulo, Toro. I say finally, these are Cartamaki to Volta, to Zobugrascado. I say finally, these are Cartamaki to Volta, to Zobugrascado.
Volleyball tournament, Arafat, Golunado, Aslele, Tuji, Somo. Ora, good score, Lassi, Tommy, Audiani, Tuja, Ora, Slay, more people.
Agasur tua sai, generajir distai, engom janot neson. Uke soponas, te ai sakar sang paule, somos tan kailen di son. Purpoto se poli boton name korum koro, kala puri jagawan. Ya koi keran se pun kanto yang jaron tan, uste ya papa. Sapu teko merong na keron puri saung na ang jalan puri ya kita.
Thank you, Mr. Ansett and Socorro de Santa Cruz. Moving to the main and important thing that we are come here to witness, the grand finale between Verna Veterans and Ilias Veterans. I would like to read the team lineup, requesting the players as your names are called out, kindly wave out to the crowd. Your fans are here seated and waiting eagerly to watch you all. Verna Veterans. Camilo Barreto, jersey number 1. Remedios Barreto, jersey number 11. Matthew Pereira, jersey number 7. Presley Pereira, 2. Vincent Culasso, 14. Remy Culasso, 9. Raymond D'Souza, 5. Johnny De Cruz, 16. Vincent Barbosa, 17. Steven Fernandez, 12. Sandeep Shanke, 3. Philip Ferrer, 13. Santan Culasso, 15. Miguel D'Souza, 6. Johnson Abranches, 4. Victorine Culasso, 8. Santan Furtado, 10. And Petrosin Fernandez, 51. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it up for veterans from Verna. Ilias Veterans, Neville Araujo, jersey number 9. Vikrant Sharma, jersey number 1. Pascual Pereira, 45. Stanley Culasso, 35. Venancio Gonzalez, 22. Ramesh Palkar, 90. Rafiq Befari, 5. Atul Naik, 9. Govind Balikar, jersey number 3. Pratap Sawant, 10. Alexander Fernandez, 31. Francis Dye, 77. Nagesh Virondakar, jersey number 7. And Hara Francisco, jersey number 82. Please put your hands together for Ilias Veterans. We have our match official, Mr. Aaron Cardozo, Rohidas Bomkar, Rosario and Menino Afonso, who will be conducting this match for us. May I request our dignitaries to kindly step down for the team introduction.
Welcome to football! Come on, Santa Cruz, that's football!
One MLA, one Sarpanch, one that charity. They are taking them. Don't take everyone. Ball the shot. The Sarpanch will give you. This turn. Wait. Dominic, पुढे आण माशे. पुढे आण, ट्रॉफी पुढे आण. ओके.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, very short while from now, we will be witnessing the finale between Berna veterans flaunting the orange colors and Santa Cruz veterans flaunting the red color. Requesting everybody to kindly make use of the dustbins to throw your empty water bottles or snacks packets or whatever that you all have. Please do not litter the place. Magta sondelagi dustbin je asa tamcho vapor korpak. Stands ani amcha ground asor botoli kotro udai nakat.
Yes, one second. Yes.
I'll get that bacon.
जीतेगा मिस्टर Go, yeah. Easy.
Right announcement for players, kindly play to the whistle. The referee's decision is final decision, we all know that.
First time game હતો.
And that's the end of the first half, with both the teams at nil. Johnny, be good with Risa.
Yes, thank you.
Sir.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
30.
फाल्यां सांग इंटरवॉर्ड टुर्नामेंट चालू जाता हो जावन आसा 46 रोमियो मेमोरियल रोलिंग ट्रॉफी ऑर्गनाइज्ड बाय गोंदिर एंड सांता बार्बारा फाल्यांची गेम शो जाता Pirmer Bairo versus Ubodando. ही मॅच चालू जातली 5 वरांची तेच भशेन 22 तारीख परवा शेवता सांत आगोस्तीन सेंट सेबस्टियन बान वर्सेस सांत आगोस्तीन 22 तारीख परवा तेचपरी आसतलो टुर्नामेंट वेटरन्स हो टुर्नामेंट कमेंट जाता 23 तारीख सान तोरे दोनूय टुर्नामेंट जोडलेल्या तर गेमी मदें शेवतली इंटरवॉर्डाची गेम शेवतली तिसरी गेम 26 तारीख आल सांता क्रूज कॉस्ट रियल वर्सेस गोंदीर एंड सांता बार्बारा 27 तारीख शेवतली सेगुन बायरो वर्सेस काक्रा 28 तारीख शेवतली सांत आगोस्तीन वर्सेस विनर ऑफ सेंट सेबस्टियन बान एंड सांत आगोस्तीन आणि 1 तारीख शेवतली कुजिरा वर्सेस विनर ऑफ सेगुन बायरो वर्सेस काक्रा हेज्यो दोनूय सेमी फायनली जातल्यो 3 तारीख आणि एक सेमी फायनलीक एक गेम चालू जातली 4:30 वरार आणि एक 5:30 ह्या दोनूय गेमींक ड्रॉ आसतलो पयली गेम कोण शेवची पयती कित्याक आनी टायम ना आमकां शेवपाक गेम मागता सगळ्या गेमी कोणें आमकां बरे भाशेन साथ दिवता थँक यू वेरी मच
Força Goa! Força Goa! Força Goa!
You want to go? Thank you very much.
Full-time score 0-0. We now move on to the tiebreaker.
ये साड़ी चल
Hello.
Alusha, don't put flash. Put manual.
veterans, power pistol fire. Temporary, Kaya.
Put on auto now. Light is there, no? They will come there. Put auto. ट्रॉफी किती आहे रे इथे पोहोचलो चूड पैसा माणसं लागली दोन
Alright, that was a very tough, competitive match between Vela veterans and Santa Cruz veterans. Before we move on to the prize distribution, I request Zilla Panchayat member Ms. Shaini De Oliveira to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is truly an honor for me to deliver the vote of thanks at the conclusion of this exciting first All Goa Veterans Football Tournament. First and foremost, I extend our gratitude to our chief guest, Honorable MLA Mr. Rudolph Fernandez. We also thank our former MLA Mr. Victor Gonsalves for being part of this special event. A sincere note of thanks to the Secretary and staff of Santa Cruz Village Panchayat for your assistance. Sarpanch Mrs. Jennifer Tommy De Oliveira, Deputy Sarpanch Sandeep Sawant, all the Punch members who were involved in hosting this event for our village. Your dedication and hard work have been the foundation of this successful event. To our talented singers, Socorro Santa Cruz, Anisel Lorenzo, and Johnny B. Good with Reza, thank you for adding life and soul to today's event with your wonderful performances. Special thanks to Gemma Lorenzo for sponsoring the man of the match to the players of every game of this tournament in memory of late Tommy De Oliveira. Also thanking Dominic Araujo and Neville Araujo for organizing the event. Thanking Melinda and Joan Francis for comparing the event, and William from True Goa News for covering each and every game of the tournament. To the teams, players and sports enthusiasts, thank you for showcasing the true spirit of the game. Your enthusiasm reminds us that passion for football knows no age, and your participation has added life and energy to this tournament. Last but not the least, thank you to everyone present here today. Your encouragement and support make such community events meaningful and memorable. Let's keep this momentum going and may we see many such vibrant events in the future. Thank you once again and happy Easter to all those celebrating.
Thank you very much, Ms. Shaini de Oliveira. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we now have a short presentation, a short felicitation for the prominent sports persons of Santa Cruz Village. Can I request both the teams, the finalists, to kindly come closer so we have all our loved ones, near and dear ones, close to us. And to do the felicitation, may I call upon our chief guest for today's final, Honorable MLA Santa Cruz Constituency, Mr. Rodolfo Fernandez. Our Sarpanch, Mrs. Jennifer Tommy de Oliveira. ZP member, Ms. Shaini de Oliveira, and other dignitaries to kindly step forward. We will now have the felicitation of our sports people from our very own Santa Cruz who have made Santa Cruz proud in their very own fields. In the first place, we have Mr. Ladislao Gonsalves from Primero Bairro. Okay, I think Sir's daughter will be receiving it on his behalf. Sir has represented Goa for National School Games and Senior Nationals in level at volleyball for Goa. He has played for Crown Clubs for several years and worked at the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs as a state volleyball coach. Congratulations, sir. Sir's daughter, Glennis, will be receiving the shawl on Sir's behalf. Mr. Caetano Dias. Mr. Caetano Dias has been Mr. Goa and needs no introduction, but here are a few of his achievements. He has represented Goa for nationals in bodybuilding championship 14 times, winner of 4 gold, 4 silver and 2 bronze medals at All India Central Revenue and National Championship. Winner of 1 silver and 1 bronze medal at the Western India Bodybuilding Championship. He's been the winner of 26 state titles. That is Mr. Goa, 26 state titles, amazing. Winner of State Sports Award, Bakshi Bahadur Jiva Dada Kerkar Award. And now he is engaged in training several youngsters who are winning accolades for the gym that he trains for, the state and also the country. Congratulations, sir. We are proud to have you amidst us. Next up we have Mr. Joyner Lorenzo. Mr. Joyner Lorenzo. Do we have Joyner present? The Joyner's father, Joyner's dad, will be collecting the award on his behalf. Joyner has played for Goa Pro League, India Under-23 held in South Korea, played for Sporting Club de Goa, Bangalore FC, Mumbai FC, Jamshedpur FC, East Bengal FC, and presently he plays for Sporting Club de Goa. Congratulations, Joyner. Thank you for making us all feel proud. Next up, we have Ms. Bhumi Ganesh Pai Vednekar. Oh, the wonderful, proud grandfather will be receiving the award on behalf of Ms. Bhumi. She has been in gymnastics, represented Goa at nationals and Khelo India tournaments, represented India at South Korea Championship in aerobic gymnastics that was held online mode. Congratulations and keep it up, Bhumi. Next up we have Dr. Ashok Naik. Dr. Dr. Ashok's wife will be receiving the award on his behalf. Dr. Ashok has been a national cricket player and played for Goa at Cricket Civil Services at Agartala, Tripura. Congratulations, sir. Next up, we have Mr. Chetan Sawant, a volleyball national player and he has represented the state at Chennai and Kerala in volleyball. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request you all to please put your hands together. A lot of efforts goes in practicing, performing, competing at the state level and national level too. Next up, Mr. Fortunato Braganza. Sir has played state and national level in football, volleyball, athletics and badminton. Represented Don Bosco at national and state level for badminton and football. Has won football and volleyball tournaments at university level. As a professional, he has played for Crown Club and the Customs and Central Excise team. Congratulations, sir. Next up, we have Mr. Joe Francis. Mr. Joe Francis has the son-in-law. Son-in-law will be receiving the award. He was with us, I don't know, maybe some work and he's gone to do that. He's singing today, okay. Participated in 13 World Veterans Athletic Championship held in 1999 in England. Silver medal Malaysian Veteran Championship 1997. Individual champion in athletics meet for veterans in 1995 at Madras. Honored by Government of Goa Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs in 2005, Social Welfare Santa Cruz 1996, received the Award for Excellence by Srimati Late Victoria Fernandez and received the Appreciation Award by Mr. Tony Fernandez in 2006 and has won many gold, silver and bronze medals at various national athletic championships over the years. Congratulations, sir. Next up, we have Mrs. Conception Pereira. Mrs. Conception Pereira has represented the state in volleyball 17 times and was an SAG coach in volleyball for 26 years. She has represented at the Asian in Masters Championship, representing India at Malaysia, South Korea, Singapore, Bangkok and Hong Kong. She is a medal winner in shot put, discus and javelin as well as hammer throw, and also was a medal winner in relay 4x100 meter team for Goa and India. She participated at the World Invitation Championship in Athens, Greece and won a gold in discus and a gold in javelin. Congratulations.
She's my mother, say.
Conception. Next up we have Mr. Nitin Sawant. Nitin Sawant. Okay, Nitin's close friend will be accepting the award on Nitin's behalf. Participated in the international tournament in Beach Volleyball Challenge held at Warka 2023, represented India in ABC Beach Volleyball Continental Cup Central Zone Bangladesh and won a silver medal. He has participated in the Central Asian Open Beach Volleyball Tournament and won a gold in 2023. Won a bronze medal in National Games Uttarakhand 2025. Congratulations, Nitin. And a last felicity, Mr. Floyd Araujo. Mr. Floyd Araujo plays badminton and has been playing badminton from the age of 8. Former All-Goa badminton singles and doubles champion in juniors, sub-juniors and senior category. Has represented nationals, that is the state, from the age of 10 in juniors, sub-juniors and seniors. Currently, he holds the title of men's double at number 1 position. Congratulations, Mr. Floyd. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now we move on to the individual prizes of this very tournament. The Man of the Match award goes to Mr. Atul Naik. This award is sponsored by Mrs. Gemma de Oliveira in loving memory of late Mr. Tommy de Oliveira. The Best Striker Award goes to Mr. Pascual Pereira of Elias. The Best Defender Award goes to Ramesh Palkar of Elias. The Best Midfielder goes to Mr. Johnny De Cruz of Verna. Can we have Mr. Johnny De Cruz? Okay, one of his teammates is going to receive the award on his behalf. The Best Goalkeeper Award goes to Mr. Camilo Barreto of Verna.